Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Margin. Robinhood Margin allows you to borrow funds to invest more, potentially amplifying your returns. To access this feature, you must subscribe to Robinhood Gold. You can borrow up to 2 times your settled cash, but remember, interest is charged on any borrowed amount over $1,000. It's a powerful tool, but understanding its mechanics is crucial for smart investing. To be eligible for margin, your account must maintain a minimum balance of $2,000. Robinhood Gold, which costs $5 per month, is your gateway to margin and other premium benefits. Gold members also gain access to professional research reports and significantly larger instant deposits, up to $50,000. Ensure your account is approved for margin trading before proceeding. It is vital to understand the risks associated with margin. A margin call occurs when your account's value falls below a certain threshold, requiring you to deposit additional funds or sell securities. While margin can amplify your potential gains, it can also significantly increase your potential losses. Always assess your risk tolerance and fully comprehend the implications before trading on margin. Effective management of your margin account is key. Continuously monitor your portfolio's margin maintenance requirement to avoid unexpected calls. Always aim to keep enough cash or easily liquidable securities to cover any potential shortfalls. Remember, the interest rate on your borrowed funds can fluctuate based on the amount. You have the flexibility to disable margin investing whenever you choose.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.